slow moving farm spindle on it. So leave it alone. It's not hurting nobody. We're not like these morons that race around on four-wheelers around the village at any time. We use it for just moving debris, getting gas cans, because I'm not going to take it out on the salty streets anyway. It's ridiculous. Anyways, so that's that. Turned it around, let him come by and look at it again. See that, hopefully he'll just drive on by. I know my son's driving it, that might be whatever, but he's a better driver than most people around here. So, alright. Here. Alright. So, again, dumping another load. Alright, so we're going to try and backlay that a little bit now. Just in float. Level bucket. I don't want to really drag it, I just want to just put it out there. And I'll pack it down with the bucket. Alright, so now we'll pack it down with the bucket. Take my tractor for a ride to get the mud out of the tires, because I am getting some mud on the tires. What's the matter? You guys okay? Alright, so actually let's use the weight of the front wheels and see if this squishes down any weight of the tractor. Doing anything bad with this. So I'm gonna hit my shed because I have the front end loader on it. But I'm probably gonna have to go sideways. Alright, so let's go sideways. Let's go sideways and flatten this out. Sideways. I don't want to hit the old deer. So we're just using the weight of the tractor to flatten this out some. That's all. And then hopefully when I come out now with the equipment, with whatever I'm using, the snowblower always hit on me. Right, so we got to push a little bit of that dirt forward. Oh, let's push that little bit of pile forward. Back in two-wheel drive. Just a little bit forward. Oh, scrape a lot up. We're going to scrape a lot up, just enough. Alright, now we'll kind of backblade it a little. That piece is a big one. Let's pull that back. Get all nice and straight. Alright, that piece is actually working. Let's push it back into there. Alright, let me get off of it and just do a little fill in. And then once I do a little fill in here with my feet, I'll squish it all down. Well, that's a big piece right there. I'm not sure what that one. That one's a pretty big piece right here. Oh, is this grass? No. It's a clump of clay and root. But it should pack in right there. Got a little bit more here. Now I got my hands dirty. What else is new? Alright. Alright. Let me get a shovel. I can use that snow shovel quick to fix this. Alright, let me throttle down the tractor a little bit. Put you right here for a second. Put the bucket down. And you can see what I'm doing quick. Oh, the camera's shaking from that. Alright, let me turn it off for a minute. Alright, so we'll turn it off for a minute. I'm just gonna level some dirt right there quick with the, I'm gonna use a snow shovel, yes. That's what I got available quick. I don't want to go, actually the shed's open. Alright, snow shovel will work quick for this though. So I'm just cleaning up the dirt. Then I'll pack it in with the wheels. Hopefully have a nice level place to go with the with it. Okay, I'm gonna move in a minute, bud. How much stuff are you guys putting out? Oh boy, okay. What? I know, and it has, it's fine, I don't care what you use, buddy. Alright, so I'll probably just back, alright, let me get one more scoop of dirt with my shovel, and I gotta cover that back up. I don't need a lot of dirt, just a little bit of dirt. See how much easier, the tractor's so much easier to get dirt with, it's crazy. I know this is a plastic shovel, but still, this stuff is hard. And the tractor makes weight work. So yeah, I went back to my dirt pile. Sorry, you guys aren't seeing that. Alright, so I'm just gonna fill in right here with some dirt. And then we're gonna proceed to run it over with the tractor. And that should be good. So that's the plan anyway. Run it over with the tractor, flatten this stuff out, and make it flat. Because like I said before, there's a lip here that I hit. And I don't want to keep hitting the lip. So I want to have that gone. And if I can have that gone with dirt, it'll probably turn to muck on me. We'll see. If I pack it down enough, it may not. So, start back up the tractor, flatten them out with the wheels, and then take this thing for a little bit of rides, clean up the wheels, and here we go. Give me 5 minutes. Turn that off for a minute. Turn that off for a minute. Alright, so we're just going to run this over. And then my son's... now I picked up that big piece and moved it. Damn it, that's not what I wanted to do. I got to put that piece back in there so I can run it back over. Alright. Stay right there, tractor. Don't want to hit old Johnny back there. That really is old Johnny. That's one of the true old Johnny's, 175. Not vintage or anything, but 1986. I know I'm all over the place with the camera. But, again, I like to be real world, guys. So, that out. This over here. And now, start running it over. But I gotta pick up the bucket. Alright. There we go. Pack this down. I did not want to get this thing this muddy today. I really did not. Yeah, it's packing it down pretty good. Driving everything over it will pack it down more. So, again, like I said, I don't want to hit my tractor back there. That's my beast. Alright, let me push this back on to the dirt. Flatten it down at the concrete edge there. Flip that up over here. Right at the edge, so almost inevitable, if I say that right, to take the tractor out and just not get it dirty. I did not want to do this, get it all muddy, but I am. Oh, I can run them over 2 points. Alright, so let's just flatten out with the bucket now. See if the weight of the bucket does anything flattening it out. So it's level. Go back. Smooth it out some. Low. Watch out for Johnny. My son called it. Alright, it's good. Good. See, that doesn't look bad. Just maybe do one quick one from the front there. And then we're good. Maybe whip her around. We'll get one from the front. And then we'll be good. I'm liking it's not bad. Alright. Yeah. Let's see. Alright, I like it. That should work. Alright. One quick ride. Get some mud off the tires on the tractor. So let's go for a ride on the street, which is always fun. And then we'll come back, hose off this deck, rinse off the tires, what's left on them, and put the mat back on. That's our plan for today. Again, I didn't plan on making a video today, but I'm glad because I haven't made a video in a while, and I do enjoy making videos. So, let's see, we have 67.3 whatchamacallits on hours. Let's see what it puts on going around the block. Alright, so going on to high mode, rabbit to rabbit, 4 ways on, and here we go. Now we're cruising, getting rid of the mud. One of the quick ways to clean the mud off the tires. Drive it around real quick in the street. So 67.3 is what we had. And now we have we're turning left turn. I think I do have signals on this tractor. So we're in 2-wheel drive, and we're going for a cruise around the block. So we're filming a quick cruise, just to clean the mud off the tires. It works to get the mud off the tires doing this. They don't make a real mess. Alright, we'll cut through Brendan's property over here. We know these guys, so driving in clean grass too will help. Push it off some. One good thing about small village, you know everybody. Everybody knows you're not going to do anything to anybody's property, so you just got to be respectful of everybody's property, you know. So, alright. That's how we're going to hose it off. Oh, we're getting a bit bumpy over here. Oh no! We done did good. Oh, that was fun. Around the block. Let's fix that. Going low. Did not expect that. Made a little bit of a rut. We must fix. I don't want to go too far in there. Do it again. Let's fix that. There we go. All fixed. Alright. That's all fixed. Yeah, you don't want to disrespect anybody's property. So if you make a mess, you fix it. Courteous thing to do. So that's what we just did. Out. What are we doing? Let's see. So we are in turtle mode. Now we're going to go back on the street. Clean up the tires a little better. Grass always works good to clean up the tires though. Again, not doing any damage to anything. I got some mud to hose off of it. Alright, it's going high. And we're in high now. And we're cleaning it off. Here we go. Oh yeah, she's flicking mud. Just a little bit. Circle move, cleans it off, tracks. There we go, we're cleaning it off now, baby. Dang bugs are out. Alright, so that's our little cruise around Athens. There we go, down the street, back to my house. Now I gotta hose off a little bit of mud I got on it.